Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my vlog. I wanna show you the see, it's a ship, a cruise ship. The other one is a cargo ship. I'm here in Minaport. Welcome to my vlog. There, welcome to my vlog. That's a cargo ship there in the other side. This one, I think it's a passenger ship. I'm with my employer. I want to see the cargo ship there. That's the sea. I'm here in the Mina Port Abu Dhabi. My cell phone became very hot because the temperature is so hot. It's always shut down by itself because it's overheat. Became overheat. See, very hot here because it's summer. See, this is Mina Port Abu Dhabi. Welcome to my vlog.